All right, good afternoon. Joined here with Tyler Kuch, General Manager of the Mankato MoonDogs. In your time, you grew up in town, you saw the Mashers play,
Yep.
You saw this field. Now in the last 6 years, can you talk about some of the changes, just kind of the field itself and what you've seen?
Yeah, the field is almost unrecognizable to what it was when I was a kid and playing high school ball out there. These guys that just have the nicest turf field that they don't have to worry about any bad hops, and no diamond dry when it's raining out on the field, and you don't have to ruin a pair of shoes.
Right.
It's really helped with scheduling, virtually no rainouts or rain delays. If it is raining, all you have to do is wait a few minutes until the rain passes and you can get the game going again.
How have the changes here helped just ticket sales?
Ticket sales, the last 2 years have been record-setting for us, and it's in no small part to the renovations. All the hospitality areas are, if they're not completely brand new, they're just completely renovated and just look so much nicer than they did before. The dog pound down the third base line used to be just like a wooden deck, and now it's three-tiered, so that even if you're in the back, you can see the game. Not everyone's watching the game always, but you have the option to. Things have been just trending upward, and we're hoping that it just continues to do that.
We thank you and appreciate all you do.
Thank you very much. It's my pleasure.
You bet.